When deciding on the groups to be examined in clinical trials, researchers must decide if they are going to include a control group. This control group may receive no treatment, which is referred to as a controlled clinical trial, or they may receive a placebo treatment, a product that is identical to the treatment without including the active treatment ingredient. This is referred to as a placebo-controlled trial. If there is no control group, it is referred to as an uncontrolled trial. Placebo-controlled trials are the strongest of the three designs, and there are several reasons for this. Firstly, placebo-controlled trials allow examination of the possible impact of a drug's vehicle, that is, the substance used to dissolve, formulate and administer the drug. For example, if a drug is delivered in a strawberry-flavoured vapour, how do we know the drug, and not the strawberry-flavoured vapour, is having an effect if we haven't tested the effect of the vapour on its own? Secondly, placebo-controlled trials allow examination of the possible impact of the placebo effect. The placebo effect is a phenomenon where people who receive an inactive treatment, like a sugar pill, can sometimes show improvement in symptoms. There are some famous examples of the placebo effect. For example, several studies have examined the impact of the placebo effect in knee pain improvement after knee osteoarthritis surgery. These studies divided osteoarthritic subjects into groups that either received arthroscopic knee surgery or received a sham surgery where they underwent the same anaesthetic procedure and had 3 cuts made into the knee in the same places required for arthroscopy, but they didn't have the arthroscopic surgical equipment inserted and so didn't undergo the arthroscopic intervention. These studies found that the subjects who received the sham surgery showed as much improvement in symptoms as those that underwent an actual arthroscopy. Having a group that receives everything the treatment group does, just without the active intervention, and without the groups knowing whether they are receiving treatment or placebo, allows for examination of how much of the improvement seen after the treatment is actually due to the placebo effect. Aside from including adequate control groups, another consideration in clinical trial group design is that it is often advantageous to include a group that receives only the current gold standard treatment. For example, when designing a study to test a new treatment for smoking addiction, apart from the treatment group and the placebo group, the study may include a comparison group who are required to wear commercially available nicotine patches. Although this increases the cost of the trial, it allows conclusion about whether the experimental treatment is an improvement on current practice.